How about problem number 3? Problem number 3, a total of 1,200 is invested in simple interest. Hindi sinabi kung exact or ordinary. Of 6% for 4 months. Wala naman sinabing year. Okay? So, this is ordinary simple interest. Okay? How much interest is earned on this investment? Now, you have a principal that is invested 1,200 pesos. Meron kang interest rate of 6% and then end as 4 months. Now, wala sinabi? Okay. We assume this is ordinary interest. So, the interest that is earned after that period is ipin. I O is equal to principal, that is 1,200 pesos. You multiply it with 0.06 and then 4 months. Sa ordinary, you have 12 months in a banker's year. So, cancel all the same units. Then we can solve for the value of interest. That is 1,200 multiplied to 0.06 multiplied to 4 over 12. The value will be 24 pesos. Yan ang tinubo mo after 4 months. Malaki o maliit? Maliit, di ba? Maliit yung value ng 24 pesos para sa tubo. Pero tubo pa rin yan. Okay? 24 pesos only. That is for problem number 3.